today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text and PDFs in Teachable. Let's start inside your Teachable admin. From the sidebar, open your course, then head to the Curriculum tab and click into the specific lesson you want to edit. This brings you into the lesson editor, which is where you'll add all your content. To place text directly into the lesson, look for the Add Content button and select Text. A text editor will open right inside the lesson. Here you can type your content, format key points with bold, and create lists to keep information clear and scannable. If you want to enrich the lesson visually, you can also insert images from within this editor. Keep your paragraphs short and use headings or subheadings for structure so learners can move through the material easily. The text editor is designed to feel familiar, so if you've used a basic word processor, this will feel comfortable. Now let's add PDFs. Back in the lesson editor, click Add Content again. You'll choose how you want students to interact with the PDF. If you pick PDF Viewer, Teachable will embed the document directly into the lesson, so students can read it on the page without leaving. This is great for handouts, worksheets, and guides you want them to view in context alongside your text. If you choose File, the PDF will be available as a downloadable file, which is helpful when students need an offline copy or want to print it. After you pick either PDF Viewer or File, you'll be prompted to upload your document. Simply drag and drop your PDF into the upload area or click to select it from your computer. Teachable will handle the upload and place it in the lesson using the method you selected. Keep your file names clear and concise so it's obvious what the document contains, and make sure the PDF is final and easy to read. If your PDF has multiple pages or images, check that the file size is reasonable to ensure it loads smoothly for your students. That's all there is to it. You open the lesson editor from your course's Curriculum tab, add a text block for written content and images, then use Add Content again to include a PDF either as an embedded viewer or a downloadable file, and upload the PDF by dragging it in or selecting it from your device. With these steps, your lesson will be informative, organized, and ready for your students to learn.